Hey everyone, Britta here. If you haven't already heard, Pantone has announced their color of the year for 2018 and it's ultraviolet. So I made a trip to London Drugs and swatched like crazy to find the best matches for the deep purple shade. Keep on watching to see which makeup products I found and how to wear them this year. First, I wanted to show you the perfect ultraviolet nail polish. It's Prim & Proper's Nail Lacquer in Victoria Violet. Prim & Proper's nail lacquers are exclusive to London Drugs, and I'm totally in love with both the brush and the no-chip formula. The purple shade is an awesome way to start wearing the color of the year. You may have also noticed there's ultraviolet color in my hair too. I used the L'Oreal Colorista spray One Day Color in Purple and just sprayed sections of my ends to give that dip dyed effect. The best part, it washes out in just one day, so no need to commit. Now let's take a peek at some ultraviolet eye makeup products, starting with the Arden Beautiful Color Bold Defining Liquid Liner in the shade Plum Desire. I thought that this would be an easy way to add some deep purple to my usual cat eye look. Here, I'll apply along the top of my black liner. I also wanted to add some more violet color to my eyes, so I'll take the Kiss Pro Luxury Intense Eyeliner in purple and blend it into my lower lash line. This pencil liner is also a perfect match for the Arden liquid liner. To give a fun pop of ultraviolet color to my lashes, I'm going to take the NYX Color Mascara in purple and apply just a very light coat over top of my regular black mascara. I like to apply both to my top and bottom lashes. I even managed to find a blush that matches the color of the year. This is the NYX Ombre Blush in Codebreaker. This blush is actually a combination of hot pink and deep violet, but today I'm just going to lightly pick up some of the violet pigment and dust over my cheeks. We're predicting that purple highlighters are going to be a big thing in 2018 thanks to the Pantone color of the year. Today I've chosen the NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick in Lavender Lust. I like to run the stick along my cheekbones and then dab with my fingers to blend. If you want to try a bold lip shade in the new year, then I recommend the Kiss Pro Celeste Matte Liquid Lipstick in Royal Purple. This color is a perfect match for ultraviolet. If you don't want to go this bold though, you can always just dab on the color with your finger for a more subdued look. And that's it. There's 8 ways to start wearing the Pantone Color of the Year Ultraviolet. Of course, you don't need to wear them all together. You can just pick 1 or 2 to start adding to your makeup looks. You can find all the products I used here today at londondrugs.com. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.